guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. Guess what, a lot of you guys requested a haul, and thank God this company called Femme Luxe, or I don't know how to say, Femme Luxe sent me a couple of items. So here I already opened the bag to do like a photo shoot for them. So here it is. So I'm basically going to be trying on everything. They sent me 3 outfits. Thank you, Femme Luxe, for sending me these 3 items, and I can't wait to show you guys. I was really impressed. The fabric, and it is so cheap. So make sure you check them out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share this video with all your friends and everyone. So this is the first outfit. It's a 3/4 pants. I'm gonna turn it around so it doesn't really go up, but the blouse is fire. The fabric is really good. This wasn't expensive. I think it was like $20 or less than $20. So yes, new clothes. Who's this? Yes. But yeah, I'm doing too much. But yeah, I think that's a large. So, and that was the biggest size. I wish they really went like upper, maybe like, I don't know, like 13, 14 or 14, 15, something like that. But second outfit coming up. Second outfit. I'm definitely doing the most, but this is the second outfit. Is this cute black, cute little Bodycon dress. Everything is secured. Like, you can never go wrong with the black outfit. Yeah. Ooh, sis. Yeah. New hair, boo. New outfit, boo. No, I'm doing the most, but yeah, this is it. The fabric is really good and it stretches. This is a size 10 to 12. This is how it looks. I really like it. Doing the most. Third outfit, man. I'm sweating. This is the last one. But yeah, this is it. It's a Bodycon cute dress. Man, girl was smashed. Look at all that weight. And then this is the leg. I don't know what I'm doing on the chair, but yeah, that's the leg. It's really cute, really pretty. I really love it. I haven't worn it to anywhere. So if you see me put on all these outfits somewhere, don't ask me nothing. Just want them to take pictures. But yeah, I really love this outfit, and this is in large. So that's the 10 to 12. All the outfits are in 10 to 12. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, loves. See you guys. Yeah.